Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 44 Addison Road. This 3-bedroom mid-terrace property is located close to Kings Heath High Street amenities and has no chain involved. Okay, then moving into the property, we've got the entrance vestibule here which leads through to the hallway, and then we have 2 reception rooms and the breakfast kitchen down here on the ground floor. Here we've got the first reception room with bay window to the front aspect and a feature exposed brick chimney breast. And we've also got decorative coving to the ceiling. So moving through, and we've got the understairs area here, and then the doorway through to the second reception room, this one having a window to the rear aspect. And there's also an opening through to the stairs which lead up to the first floor. Okay, then stepping down into the kitchen. This room, as you can see, has space for a breakfast table and chairs, and French doors leading out to the rear garden. And within the kitchen we've got marble work surfaces, 2 sash windows to the side aspect, a Belfast style ceramic sink, integrated fridge and freezer, dishwasher, washing machine and cooker with electric hob above. And we've also got the boiler within the cupboard here on the left hand side. And a breakfast bar area just at the end of the work surface. Okay, and then on to the first floor landing, and we've got loft access just above us here. We also have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor. And starting with bedroom 1 at the front of the property. Again, really nice high ceilings. We've got fitted wardrobes in this room here as well, and then another sash style window to the front aspect. And then into the bathroom, which has been recently refitted with a roll top bath, WC, wash basin and also a fully tiled walk-in shower area. Then we've got the next bedroom. And this one having an aspect to the rear. then into the third bedroom, step down, and then again sash down window to the rear aspect. Okay, so then moving out into the rear garden, we have a flagged patio section which leads down to the rest of the garden area, having fenced boundaries, and then access the far end, which leads across the back of next door and into the shared passageway. And then we can just look back at the property here, and that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact us as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.